guys, Creams Pasta here coming at you live from Pokemon League Ayrshire. We have 2 Evolutions packets to be opening, so I'm very excited about that, so let's get straight into it.
What?
If you want to look behind them, crawl.
Okay, so I have the full heals, Kakuna, Charizard Spirit Link, Charmander Normal, Voltorb, Fire Energy, I needed that one actually, I'm pretty pleased with that. Vulpix, Tangela, Reverse Haunter, pretty pleased with that, and Hitmonchan, yeah, quite pleased with that. Next pack. Okay, we have a Charmeleon. Double colourless energy. Nice, nice. Oh, careful, careful. We have a Professor Oak's Hint. We have the Seal. We have the Diglett. We have the Poliwag, Sandshrew, Voltorb. Ooh, Reverse Blastoise Spirit Link, that's another set completed for the Master Set. And a Dugtrio. Okay, okay. MD wants to shout out their YouTube channel name, do so now, please.
Mr. Alex 566. Solo the Illuminati.
Is that everybody? Okay, good. That's bye from everybody at Pokemon League Ayrshire. Bye!